Hello everyone, welcome to this guitar tutorial for the song I Hear a Symphony by CODY FRY. So first up, I'd just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. Thank you very much for that. So quick disclaimers first, I made this guitar tutorial based on my own interpretation of the chords or the arrangement of this song, as well as playing it as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And yeah, aside from that, please do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below, so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well, and I'll try to do it for you. You'll also be able to share support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so for the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. So all in all, we've got the B flat major 7 chord, D7, E flat major 7, C minor 7, F7, G minor 7, F minor 7, B flat 7, G7, A flat major 7, B minor 7, G major 7, then lastly it's going to be the A flat 7 chord. Okay, so for the plucking patterns that we're going to use for this song, there's going to be two of them. First up is going to be this one right here. Yep, and for this one, we're going to be using this plucking pattern for chords that we're going to be playing for 2 counts. So it's going to be like this. Yep, just like that. Now, to break it down for you guys, first thing that we're going to do is we're going to be plucking the bass string, which could either be the lower E string or the A string, depending on the root note of the chord that you're playing at the time. It's going to be the bass, it's going to be the D string, G and the B strings all together. Then once more, it's going to be the bass string. Yep, bass string with your thumb, D string with your index finger, G and the B strings with your middle finger and your ring finger. It's going to be the bass string once more with your thumb. Yep, once more, bass, D, G and B strings, then bass. Yep. Just like that. And with that said, that entire plucking pattern is going to be worked for 2 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. And as for the second plucking pattern that we're going to use, it's going to be this one right here. And we're going to be using this one for chords that we're going to be playing for 4 counts at a time. So once again, it's going to be like this. Yep, just like that. Once again, allow me to break it down for you guys. So it's going to be the bass string, D string, G string, B string, once more bass, then the D, G and the B strings all together, then the bass string. Yep, so all in all it's going to be like this. Bass, D, G, B, bass, D, G, B strings all together, then the bass string. Once again, bass with your thumb, D on the index, G on the middle finger, it's going to be the B string on your ring finger, the thumb on your bass, then D, G, B strings with these 3 fingers right here. It's going to be the bass. And all in all, it's going to be like this. And with that said, that entire plucking pattern is going to be worked for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, so for the first and the second verse sections of this song, technically for the first verse of this song, there's not going to be any chord or chord progressions on the piano based on the original audio of this song, but I decided to just include this here because well, why not? And yeah, so the chord progression is going to be this one right here. First up is going to be the B flat major 7 chord for 2 counts. It's going to be like this. Followed by the D7 chord for 2 counts. It's going to be the E flat major 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, just like that. Next up is going to be the C minor 7 chord for 2 counts. Then the F7 chord for 2 counts. It's going to be the B flat major 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, then after that we're just going to be repeating that entire chord progression one more time. So once again, B flat major 7 chord for 2 counts, D7, then E flat major 7, then C minor 7, F7, and the B flat major 7. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. With simple songs I wanted more. Perfection is so quick to bore. You are most beautiful by far. Our flaws are who we really are. Okay, so for the first interlude of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. First up is going to be the C minor 7 chord for 2 counts, then the F7 chord for 2 counts, then the B flat major 7 chord for 2 counts, E flat major 7, C minor 7, F7 for 2 counts, and this one. Once more, it's going to be the G minor 7 chord for 2 counts now this time. It's going to be the E flat major 7 chord for 2 counts, then the D7 chord for 2 counts. It's going to be the E flat major 7 chord for 2 counts. It's going to be the F7 chord for 2 counts. It's going to be the D7 chord for 4 counts. And the G minor 7 chord for 2 counts. E flat major 7 chord for 2 counts. And the B flat major 7 chord for 4 counts. And the F7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be the E flat major 7 chord for 8 counts, which means that we're going to be doing the plucking pattern for the 4 counts twice. It's going to be like this. Yep, I mean technically for the original audio of this song, it kind of cuts off for the E flat major 7 chord on the first 4 counts. So it's just going to be like this. Yep, I just waited out for 4 counts, then you move on to the second verse section of this song. But I might as well just include the other 4 counts in here as well because well, why not? And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, so for the second interlude of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So once more, it's going to be the C minor 7 chord for 2 counts, F7, E flat major 7, then G minor 7, and this, then F7, then G minor 7, E flat major 7, and G minor 7, and F minor 7, and B flat 7. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, so when it comes to the third verse section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Yep, basically we're just going to be transposing the chord progression of the first and the second verse earlier, basically for 5 half steps up. So once again, it's going to be the E flat major 7 chord for 2 counts, which is going to be like this. G7 chord for 2 counts. It's going to be the A flat major 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be the F minor 7 chord for 2 counts. And and the B flat 7 chord for 2 counts. It's going to be the E flat major 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, then after that we're just going to be repeating that entire thing one more time. So once again, E flat major 7 chord for 2 counts, G7, then A flat major 7, then this, then this, then this. Yep, once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I used to hear a simple song, that was until you came along. You took my broken melody, and now I hear a symphony. Okay, so for the third interlude section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. First up is going to be the F minor 7 chord for 2 counts. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. And lastly, for the outro section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Yep, it's going to be the E flat major 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be like this. So with the way that he sings it, it's going to be, and now I hear, followed by the E flat major 7 chord for 2 counts, a then B flat major 7 chord for 2 counts, it's going to be the E flat major 7 chord to finish this song off. So you could do it like this, or like this, or like this. It depends on you and your preference when it comes to playing this song. Yep, so it's going to be like this. And now I hear a symphony. Okay, so this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And I'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I really appreciate that. And yeah, if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.